I want to introduce you a little bit shortly about BBE BenthoTorch. So the unit will arrive like this in a hard carrying case that you can open this like this. So very easily you can open it. Inside the luggage you can find the unit, all standard accessories, and also in this part you can find the instruction manual. Very important, before using the unit, please read the instruction manual. And also here in the first page cover you can find all required software or drivers that is needed for using this unit, beside also instruction manual in this USB instruction manual. And also I recommend you to do a copy in your computer. So this is a calibration certificate of the unit that is inside the unit. We have also a tissue for cleaning of the unit in this part. Also you can put it here, but no problem, we can put it inside. Yes, coming back to the unit looks like this. It is like a torch, as it's clear from its name, BenthoTorch. So we have measuring LEDs here. We have 7 LEDs, and also we have 3 wavelengths. We measure 3 wavelengths. Here we have a battery, and this is a connector to be connected to the computer using a USB connector. We have display on the middle of the probe. We have a display like this, I will show you later, and also capacitive keys that you can set up everything using here. The unit included with the internal GPS, so every place you are going, the unit automatically recorded the location or position of the place that you are doing measurement. If you want to connect it to the computer, you only need to use this connector. It looks like this. One end is USB, so it should be connected to the computer. The other end should be easily connected to this part of the unit. So here we have 2 red points. That these 2 red points in front of each other fits very well. Then you can connect it to your computer. At the same time, if you want to recharge the battery, because it has a rechargeable battery inside the unit, you can use the same adapter. Here we have a connector for the power supply. This adapter also, if you don't find it the suitable adapter for your country, you can find it inside. Also there is different adapters. One thing about the charging, please put it 6 hours at least in the charging before you are going to the measurement. And if you don't use the unit, every 2-3 months bring it out the unit and do calibration and recharging battery once because in order to prevent the failure inside the batteries. So the unit has also the hand loop that you can use it from here. We also you can get this calibration place that in the manual it was clearly described that how you can use it, but normally you don't need it. And if you want, you can send it every 2 years back to the company to do calibration. So when we want to do measurement, I want to do one measurement once more. Wait. Yes, now I'll bring it to the normal position. Want to turn on the unit. As I told you, there is an internal battery inside, rechargeable battery. The best way is that to using magnetic key that just comes with the standard accessories. So there is a location here for turning on. Put the magnetic key in front of this position, and then the unit will ask that, do you want to switch on? Yes, and then later we will work on this menus. What does it mean, the menus? So if you do measurement, so you will see here the different LEDs, how they are pushing the lights. Also you can see normally with BenthoTorch you should put vertically on the surface that you are going to measure. After the measurement finished, you will see a vibration. Now the vibration and the calculation and data comes out now, and you can display it on this, you can see it on the display. That's all from this part, so we go to the menus. I want to show you the menu. So as I mentioned, how we can turn on, we are using this magnetic key. So we turn on, switch on the unit. Then in the menu, we have 4 different menus. First is start measurement. The other one is data. You can delete or see the data that is stored inside. You can power down or you can turn down the unit, and setting menu. Beside, you have also calibration menu that you can do some calibration. Now I go to this start measurement. Yes, so if you push the OK button, you can see that the measurement will be performed by the unit. It takes around 10 to 20 seconds, the measurement, one measurement. Now the data you can see, cyanobacteria, green, and diatoms. These are 3 benthic algae classes that we can measure with a microgram per square centimeter. If you want to see more data, you can push the more, and then you can go to the reflectance and also the GPS data. Of course, here for this measurement we didn't have a GPS because we are in the room, but also date and time. These are all from the measurement. When you go to the data, you can also see the data, view the data. You can delete the data. Okay, so for example here, if you push the delete all data, the unit will delete all data, or you can say no. Other menu is a power down. So if you push this OK, then the unit will be down, but again you can turn on easily. So start measurement we tag, data we tag, power down we tag. Now we are going to setting menu. In the setting menu, for example, one of the important things that we can do is changing the measurement mode. Menu, you can set which mode of measurement you want. For example, we have here single mode that BenthoTorch performs only one measurement. There is continuous mode that continuously starts measurement. The other one's in the interval mode that you can set for a specific time interval that the BenthoTorch performs measurement and then turn off, and then it starts again the measurement. So here these 3 options we have. And also we have a measurement time. For time intervals you need to check it, and also auto power down. If you make it okay, then the unit after 4 or 5 minutes after that you finish your measurement will be down. And also you can check the clock or display contrast or units of the measurement, and also the setting for GPS. All is here. You can read the manual for more information about these parts. And also we have a calibration menu. The calibration menu also you need a password, because we recommend that not did not train people they use this, but of course everything is in the manual mentioned how you can do this. The password is 1234. So you can also calibrate the offset, you can correction factors you can put, or you can return the unit to the factory setting. You can check the voltage or calibrate the fingerprints of the unit, and also background calibration. These are all from the BenthoTorch menu that I can tell you. Later I will work on the software and I will show you how you can export the data to the BB++ software.